Hey ho everybody, a little bit of an update here on the well, I call it the 12-foot trailer, but it's actually 13-foot 4. The other name I got for it is Panoka trailer, but anyways, it's a tandem axle flat deck trailer that I've done a bit of modification to, removed all the bad stuff, and we're starting to refinish it now. I am almost finished the welding on it, and I'm doing some cleaning. I go back and forth between cleaning and welding, whatever. Anyways, you can see the hinges, sockets that I have here for the wind gate. They're all welded on there, and notice that they're on either side. There's nothing here in the middle. There's the wind gate right there. It's pretty heavy. Weighs over 100 pounds, I'm sure. I can lift it up, but just, you know. So, anyways, it slots into the into those hinges, and then it's 3 feet by 6 feet, that wind gate. So there's the axles all painted and everything. They're ready to go back on again. Get a little dusty from all the work that we're doing here. So today since I cleaned out this wheel well right here, I have undercoated it here. Just make it all black, asphalt undercoating. And I also tried a little bit of the red paint here that you can see, just to see what's going to happen here. Is there spots where, you know, I have to sand it some more or whatever. I mean, I don't expect this finish to be perfect by any means. It's pitted, rusty metal. I'm not going to try to fill it all. It's a trailer, for crying out loud. It's going to get scratched the crap out of it. So that's the darker red color. We'll see what it turns out like when it's dry, and probably needs a second coat. Anyways, yeah, there's the fenders underneath. They'll be asphalt coated completely. It's really the only part of the trailer that I'm going to do that treatment to. You'll notice that the trailer is up a lot higher than it was, and that there's no gantry here. We had to abandon that idea of flipping this trailer over using the gantry when we got it at about a 45-degree angle on one side, like tipped up. It was pulling the gantry over to one side, so it was getting kind of scary. So we decided to, nah, you know what? I'm not going to flip the trailer over. I'm just going to try to work underneath it. So it's back on the lift table again, and the lift table is up to almost its full height. I could actually get the trailer a little higher, as long as I can roll underneath it in my stool there and do the welding that I need to do on the underside of here to strengthen up the hitch. I also need to, there's nuts on the back side of these things here. I'm just going to put a little tack on those so they stay there. Yeah, so yeah, you're coming along. It's going to be a big job to paint this, so I'll use a roller for most of it though. But this here, I just decided to just take a brush and see what the paint's going to look like. Red and black. That's the color. So anyways, lots of cleaning, lots of wire brushing to get it to where... oh, and by the way, as you can see, I capped the top of these posts. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it as far as ways to hold when the wind gate comes up here. I'm going to have those sliding latches that almost like a deadbolt that you see, but they're little they're a little nicer. They pull out and they lock into the open position, and then you hit them and they spring in. And very typical of a lot of trailers, those latches, and that's what I'll have here holding the wind gate in place. And you can easily remove the wind gate. I didn't want anything that would interfere with this full width here. I want things sticking out into there. Okay, so that you can take advantage of driving something in here that's going to go right down the line there. Anyways, this is 6 feet, and I want to keep it that way. Alrighty, that's a bit of an update there.